once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. Damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe down there, and click the bell button beside it for you to get notified every time I posted a new video. So samahan nyo ako ngayon pumunta ng BeautyCon 2024, and it's day 3 guys. Enrique Hill, Vicky Bello, and Marco Gumaba will be here today. And tara, samahan nyo ako. Here is a quick outfit check. This event is free to all Watsons Club members, Smack Holder, and Look at Me sisters. So I registered with my Watsons card. And tara, pasukin na natin. Pagkapasok mo pa lang, ito na yung bubungad sa'yo. We are at the cosmetics area. At sobrang daming choices guys. Lahat na nakikita nyo sa Shopee, TikTok, or kung saan man yan, nandito na sila. And may nakita nga akong glam house dito. At tara, itry natin. Guys, wala silang photographer dito. So magdadala kayo ng sarili nyo or mag-tripod na lang kayo. Beside this booth, nakita ko tong Bare and Bliss. And sobrang na-attract ako sa booth nila. Since it's all pink and may claw machine pa. Pero makapaglaro ka lang kapag nag-purchase ka sa kanila with their minimum orders. At sa katapat naman yung Mersey and Ready Set Glow. Andito rin ang BLK, U, Pen Shop for fragrances, at iba pang perfumes. Andito rin ang Get Ready With Me, and sobrang daming tao, as in ang hirap makapasok sa booth nila. So I tried some of their products na gusto kong bilhin. And katabi nga nito is Maybelline, so nag-check din ako ng bagong product nila. Then BYS sa tapat, nandito rin ang Jo Malone, Laneige, Laura Mercier, Innisfree, at marami pang ito nga yung fragrantals, and sobrang daming pila guys, kasi makakakuha ng free perfume kapag nakashoot ka na 3. Hindi ko na malayan na dumaan na si Miss Vicky Bello sa harap ko mismo nung nasa entrance pa lang. Kaya sumilip na rin ako sa stage kung sino bang nandun at nagtutok. So dumiretso na ako sa hair station, and tinry ko nga tong booth ng Kiss. They offer free hairstyle. Naghanap kasi ako ngayon ng tool for my hair. And dito ako tumitingin. Then dumaan na rin ako ng Glam Fix. Sobrang daming sale dito guys. As in, dito nyo lang sila makukuha. Then I tried the photo booth here. And this is my printed copy guys. And then dumaan na ako ng Pond to check out some of my favorite items. Nandito rin ng Cosar X, and we tried their game. Kaso bukya agad girl. Dumating na rin si Enrique Hill, and nag-perform na rin siya. I'm with my brother's girlfriend. Nag-fill up for vouchers, then nag-ikot-ikot kami, nakarating kami ng Dr. Jart, Neutrogena, at iba pa. Each booth is my game, pero hindi lahat pwede maglaro. This is my target minimum order or purchase. We saw this sassy booth, and they will give you a scratch card if you follow them on social media. Kaso thank you for coming yung nakalagay. For our next stop, we have this Lancome vending machine where you can get a free serum from them. And then umikot ulit kami sa cosmetic section. Dito ang O2O, Dazzle Me, Vice Cosmetics, Colorette, Sassy Lady, at marami pang iba. And nag-try lang ako ng color tint here at Colorette. And tumingin na rin sa Sassy Lady. Medyo napupuno na yung cart. At pumunta naman ako sa EC. So nagbay ako sa kanila ng lip balm. And sobrang hirap pumili ng shade. Sobrang daming magaganda. And dumating na rin si Marco Gumabaw here. And nandito naman tayo sa body section. Sobrang daming magagandang booth here. And this one is my favorite because it's a huge vanity mirror. So magpipay na kami, and here is the situation at the counter area. Sobrang daming tao, pero buti na lang mabilis yung pila. So our bill is around 3,800 plus. And next day guys, so kumain muna ako ng bread since hindi ako nakapag-breakfast. So let me just show you my outfit for today's video. And this is actually last day of BeautyCon 2024. Kaya tara, mag-register na ulit tayo para makapasok na. We have 3 beauty queens here from YOU sharing their experiences and skincare tips. So I'm here at Deo Pros, and I'm trying out their Glide On sunscreen. Actually, may freebies silang pinamimigay, kaso ngayon daw is unavailable na. Sobrang lightweight lang ng sunscreen nila, and para siyang balm. And soon I'll try this one. So nag-ikot-ikot lang ulit ako kasi hindi ko naman lahat talaga napuntahan kahapon. Compared kahapon, mas kokonti na yung tao ngayon, pero nung hapon nito is sobrang daming tao kasi darating si Miss Heart Evangelist. While roaming around, nakita ko ulit yung Glam Fix, and meron na silang free ice cream. So tara, medyo mahaba yung pila pero mabilis lang naman. So you just need to follow them on their social media accounts, and you'll get free ice cream.
Thank you, Kuya.
So you are required to take photo on their booth and tag them on their social media accounts. And before anything else, let's taste it. So bumalik ako ng Get Ready With Me kaso hindi talaga ako makapasok kaya next time na lang siguro. Andito rin ang Huda Beauty. Sobrang cute talaga ng booth ng Laneige where you can make a friendship bracelet with Laneige. And nandito rin ang ABCD. Hindi rin ako nagtagal since I have event in the afternoon. Kaya pumunta na ako ng parking para mag-change ng clothes because I will attend my first PR event this 2024. Here's my second outfit, guys. The dress code is pink pero wala ko masyadong pink. Hay! Sobrang hirap kapag wala ka masyadong pink kasi yun usually yung mga dress code sa mga PR event. So pabalik na ako ng MOA Square since dun din gaganapin. 1 PM pa lang pumunta na ako kasi kailangan daw nandun na. It will be held here at Catherine's Cafe sa Sky Garden. Medyo marami ng tao nung dumating ako and nag-register rin ako agad. So we're here at Super Brand Creator Salon of Gemilan and I got invited to be part of this event.
Can you find your username here na lang and then put a dot on it for me? Like that. A flyer from us and a raffle ticket?
Sobrang friendly ng mga staff dito at talagang babalik-balikan mo. Hindi ko rin alam kung anong mangyayari sa event na to since first time ko nga umattend. So I really don't have any idea. So naghanap na ako ng seat ko. And dito ko napili sa may bandang likuran since hindi naman ako familiar sa mga magaganap dito. Sobrang nagulat ako kasi nandito pala si Celine Nobleza, isang pinakasikat na TikToker. Nandito rin si Hazel Grace at napakarami pang TikTok influencer na nakikita ko on TikTok. Here's Kate, and siya yung una kong nakilala here at naging friend. So we took a video for the brand. After we took a video, syempre nag-video rin kami around the corner of this event hall. And aura-aura lang si auntie para may content. Amen. So here are some of the guests and here are the PR na ipamimigay mamaya. Diba? Sobrang cutie patoti nila, guys. So say hi to my new friends. Yes. They are so pretty, guys. Grabe. Wala akong masabi. Ang babait pa. And then pinagmerienda na rin kami. So they have a lot of foods here. And here are some of the products of Gemilan that you already saw on my social media accounts because I'm already using it, guys. So, hindi lang pala influencer yung mga nandito. Meron din silang mga user guests, which is a great practice for every brand. So, nakapila na kami and we're gonna get some food. Sabay na kami kumuha ni Kate ng food since kami yung magkatabi. So, siya muna yung pinakuha ko and after ako naman. And then, kumuha lang ako ng Sans Ribal, this strawberry cake, and then binigyan ko rin si Kate. After namin kumuha ng pagkain, bumalik na rin kami sa seat and this is my food. Konti lang yung kinuha ko dahil hindi naman ako sobrang mahilig sa matamis lately. And alam ko naman sa sarili ko na hindi ko talaga yun mauubos. So kumain na kami, pati yung ibang influencers. Here is Loisy from Laguna and here are the other guests. Right after eating is nag-start na rin yung program and syempre nag-icebreaker muna.
So we'll be playing a music. If any one of you knows the title of the song or you know how to sing or dance the song, feel free to raise your hand.
Kami nag-guess ng mga music na ipi-play ni Kuya DJ. Here is Miss Jessa and Miss Celine and nag-jump sila sa super bass ni Nicki Minaj.
So what is the title of the song?
Super bass.
Super Bass is correct. Here.
So, nagpa-games lang and then may prize na makukuha which is the product of Gemilan. After the icebreaker, nag-start na rin yung proper program with brand presentation.
Hi everyone.
So, she is the brand ambassador of Gemilan and she gave insightful brand presentation to us. After naman nun is nagkaroon ng first round of raffle and yung mapapanalunan is a vanity mirror with LED light or LED light. And guess who's the winner? It's Kate, guys. Sobrang swerte. So, gusto ko rin sana manalo ng LED light pero hindi talaga tayo pinalad kasi it's 32. 33 yung number ko. Sayang naman. Pero anyways, go lang. After another talk and round of raffle is pinakilala na si Miss Hazel Grace and she is also a brand ambassador of Gemilan.
Nakita ko yung effect and shinare ko to sa followers.
So, here is the current situation, guys. Medyo malapit na matapos. And after sharing her experiences with Gemilan, is syempre nag-photo up na lahat ng influencer and guest here. And I'm so sad kasi sa likod ako napunta. Kasi bakit naman nag-heels? Char. At least naka-attend pa rin. Huy! Guys, hindi ko in-expect na may ganito palang ganap, na may award ganyan. So, kawawa naman yung outfit ko. Like, hindi ako prepared as in. Sana nalaman ko agad para nag-long gown ako. Hi! Amen! So, So, nag-photo up lang ulit kami. And guys, by 5 kasi yung awarding para mas mabilis. And ito yung mga katabi ko sa ranking. Thank you so much, Jemilan, for this award. And hindi ko talaga to in-expect. This is the first ever award na natanggap ko as content creator. So, here are the top 5 content creators who have a biggest sale on TikTok. And it includes Miss Celine Noblesa.
And of course, my name is Carla Aquino, your host for this afternoon, signing off.
After the event, syempre hindi pwedeng palampasin ang photo booth nila at tinry ko na nga. I also approached some of the influencers and my mutuals on IG.
Hi! Each and every one of you! Ganda! Slay! Yung pang school! I love!
I also took photos and videos with my IG mutuals pero hindi ko pala nasama here on the vlog because I accidentally deleted some of these clips. Pero anyways guys, sobrang nag-enjoy ako sa event na to and thank you so much again, Jemilan, and see you on my next one guys. Bye!